Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect IC Markets to MT5. In this walkthrough, we'll connect your IC Markets trading account to the MetaTrader 5 platform using the login details provided in your secure client area. Before you begin, it helps to have both your browser and the MT5 app open so you can easily copy and paste the required information. Start by going to the Accounts section in the secure client area. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Accounts. This is where your trading account details are stored, including the information you'll need to log in through MT5. On the Accounts page, locate your account ID and password. Copy both of these carefully. These credentials are what MT5 uses to access your trading account, so it's important to copy them exactly as shown. A good tip here is to double check for any extra spaces if you're pasting the information later, since even a small formatting issue can prevent login. Next, copy the server name listed for that account. This part is just as important as the login ID and password because MT5 needs the correct server in order to find and connect to your account properly. If the wrong server is used, the platform may not recognize your login details even if they are correct. Now open the MetaTrader 5 app. Once MT5 is running, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. From that menu, choose Open an Account. This will bring up the broker search window where you can add or connect an existing trading account. In the search field, paste the server name you copied from the IC Markets client area. Give MT5 a moment to search, then click on the matching result when it appears. Selecting the correct server result is important, so make sure it matches the server information from your account page. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Paste in your account ID and password exactly as copied from the secure client area. This links your IC Markets account to MetaTrader 5 and allows the platform to access your account data. Once everything is entered correctly, MT5 should connect your account and you'll be ready to continue inside the platform. If you run into any issues, the most common causes are a mismatched server name, an incorrect password, or accidental extra spaces when pasting details. That's it. You've now gone through the process of connecting IC Markets to MT5.